I keep getting asked to do a walkthrough of my truck setup, so here you go. In the front seat, I got my lunch pail, some door hangers, some extra flyers, and some bandit signs. Remember, marketing is kind of the bloodline of your business. You always want to be equipped to spread the word. In the back seat, we got some boot covers for inside. We got cougar paws for when we're doing roof work. Got a bag of tools here for pressure washing equipment and plumbing. Then in this bucket here, I have some extra tools. I never use the Legend channel. I don't like the super size ones, but they are what they are. Extra rubber, extra steel wool, all the basic things. Just have this just in case I ever run short. Then for the back of the truck, let's start with the ladder rack. We got the good old big blue ladders, only a 24 footer, I think, but it gets the work done for me. Got a folding 24 footer up there. That's more for chandeliers or for strange Christmas light installations. We got the two other little, well, they're not little giants, but gorilla ladders, same type of deal, whatever way. I got like a 22 footer and an 18 footer. I usually use the 18 footer inside, so that's why I have that on top for easy access. Sheltered beneath the little ladders there, I've got my leaf blower for gutter cleaning and a little gas tank with extra fuel. Clearly, passenger side, water-fed filter system, RODI setup with a hose to go straight to the water source. I never take this out. I keep it strapped in. It's all but permanently installed. So I go ahead and I just run that to whatever water source and get things set up from the truck. Then inside here, this is a gutter scooping bucket. Got the gutter tool in it, but I just use it for trash most of the time. Yeah, you can see it's a little messy in there. Got some extra chemicals, the Ecolab lime and rust remover, that's for water stains, hard water stains. A little bit of bleach whenever you come across some algae. And then empty bucket, or well, it's not empty right now. This is for dirty rags and towels. I always want to keep this outside, otherwise inside of the truck smells bad. And then I'll keep the tools that I'm using stacked. And then I have my little belt in here with the bucket that I use the most for exterior cleaning if it's a first time clean. Some extra hose for the water fed pole. And then off to the side, opposite from the water fed pole filter, we got the actual water fed pole. This is the main one, my daily use. The 0M9 pole from Window Cleaning Resource. And then this is an extra 40 footer. It's old and been through a lot, so I keep it on here just in case I need something to reach taller. But part of the mess, I kind of shot this video in a hurry. But in my toolbox, I have a few things like hex head driver on a Ryobi drill, extra batteries, and then water fed pole accessories, big brush, little Ryobi battery powered pressure washer unit just to kind of rinse off windows. I can actually drop a line into a bucket of filtered water and kind of spray the glass through the screens if I need to. Other than that, I got some odds and ends in that toolbox, just things that you might need every once in a while, don't use every day. So if you got any questions about that, comment below. Let me know if there's any, little detail you'd like me to go into about how I have things set up. I just try to have it nice and efficient so that I can pull up to a house and just plug into the water source and start cleaning right away. But yeah, let me know what you set up in your truck, or if there's something I should improve. I know there's a lot I could work on, but hey, it's what I got right now.